Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to set our transmission time, or you can say running hour of a magnetron. So in my last video I have shown you how to change your magnetron and how to do your motor inspection and step-by-step process of how to change a complete magnetron of a X-band radar. So if you have not watched that video, you can click on I button or you can go in the description and you can watch that video. So once you change the magnetron with all the procedure, you have to reset your transmission time. So what you have to do, you have to go in main menu. You can see, keep your cursor on main menu and using your mouse left button, just press and hold it. Then service engineer password it will ask. So press 0 and press enter. Then you can see serviceman menu. In that you go to maintenance menu. And then fifth, transmission and receiving time. Then you go 3-4 options are there: clear transmission time, clear motor time, and various other options are there. So using this service engineer menu, you can reset your magnetron transmission and receiving time, because once you change the magnetron, you need to do it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.